Bubby has hiccups.
You have hiccups, Bubby? Do you have hiccups, Tatum? Sounded like you did.
I finished mine.
Oh, you finished yours? Do you want to hug a mug, Bubby?
No. No.